This is this is a UV light, blue light for currency detection. So today it came with this heat with this board. So I will solder it over here and check to see how to and try to see the currency, what it shows in a currency. So let me first let's first check it. It is 3.7 volts and it require and rated for 1 watt. You can see it has purple type of light, UV light. Now let's solder it. So when soldering, you need to make sure that the positive and negative. So this is its positive and this is negative. I have already checked it. This is the UV LED light that you can buy. Then you can also search for more if you don't like this. So note this note and over the LED, I see there are these. You might not see it. So you see that these are the patterns. It is a small currency note, so it does not have much of the things. So but it still have these small random lines as a security feature. These small random lines, small. These are the security feature. You see these random, these are the, this is the security feature. So that's it. You can use this simple LED to detect nodes. If you search on YouTube, there are many videos. You can search your currency related to your country. So each country, currency notes have their own unique features. So you can use this LED. This is easily available on Aliexpress. I will put its link in the description. Thanks.